Today, we're taking a look at a must-have kit for electricians or anyone working with high voltages. Let's unbox the Klein Tools 1000-volt insulated 5-piece toolkit. This is Klein's 1000-volt insulated toolkit. It's comprised of 5 different tools: the pliers, the side cutters, the 2 screwdrivers, and the wire stripper. All of these tools are made in the USA and they meet or exceed these standards. So, you know they're built for safety. As an added feature, the pliers and wire strippers have a 3-part insulation: the orange and gray outer layer and the white underlayer. And as the tool wears, the white layer will show through the orange, indicating that the tool is compromised and in need of replacement. Now, let's open this up. First up, we've got the wire strippers. It strips and cuts 8 to 16 gauge solid wire and 10 to 18 gauge stranded wire, and it even cleanly shears up to 6 30-second screws. Definitely a tool you'll use day in and day out. Next, we've got the side cutting pliers. These are super tough and come with induction hardened cutting knives, which means longer life on the blades. Whether you're cutting wire, bolts, nails, this tool has you covered. Then we've got the diagonal cutters. These can slice through ACSR, screws, nails, and hardened wire. It's a great choice for those tough jobs when you need precision and strength. And finally, we've got 2 slim tip screwdrivers. They've got a cushion grip for the handles for great torque and comfort, and one is a 1/4 inch flathead, while the other is a No. 2 Phillips. Both feature Klein's signature slim tips that are perfect for any sort of precision work, especially in tight spaces. And there you have it, the full Klein Tools 1000-volt insulated 5-piece toolkit. It's lightweight, durable, has a great hand feel, and is designed with safety in mind for anyone working around high voltage environments. To get your own 1000-volt insulated 5-piece toolkit from Klein, click on the link in the description. Drop us a comment below and let us know your everyday carry setup.